Hi y'all, Jeff here with Jeff's Cars and Garage, and welcome back to another video. And here it is, a Sunday in Nebraska, and today it is absolutely a gorgeous day out. Not a cloud, oh, there's a few little spotty clouds, but no wind. The temperature is in the 60s, it's in the morning time. And so, you know, today is usually family day, and old Huey and my daughter Madison will soon be arriving, probably in another hour-ish or so. And I don't know what we're going to work on today, but as you can see, I'm by my 300 SD. I'm actually going to move it out of the way, and I'm going to bring, and I've moved the GL350 off of the driveway where it normally sits, and I'm going to bring the 350 SL, the white one, and park it here. And I'm going to start working on the trunk carpet, since I've kind of got into the, you know, the thing of doing that. And then, you know, when I want to do a video, somebody drives through the alley that doesn't live here. I don't even know who they are, but well, oh well, they come down the alley. But anyway, we'll let it go. I mean, that's just kind of how things go. You know, I'm thinking on working on at least the floor of the trunk. And the other thing is, I've got the 280 SEL right here, and I can continue on with the. Haven't got the back deck in, haven't got the speakers in, but I need some help with that because, you know, I'm going to have to set the speaker and drill the holes from the bottom, and I've got to go get some bolts for that because, you know, the distance is too long. But I could be working on putting the carpet on the bottom of the deck and things like that. I mean, today is a beautiful day. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get into the 300 SD. It hasn't been started. Oh my gosh, this thing's been sitting here, well, since last week-ish, and you know, I'll get in it, it'll start right up, and I'm going to move it over there, and then, you know, there'll be a little time lapse going on while I'm, you know, while I'm getting the 350 SL out, and then I'm going to back it up in here. So without further ado, let's get started. Turn the radio down. Crack the window a little bit. You know, I'm gonna have to fix the washers in this one too. But the clock is still right on time, and this one, remember folks, I need to pull the cluster, and that was one thing I was going to check. It does not have a telescoping or tilt steering wheel. Now that might, with the steering wheel this position, yeah, the cluster should come out. You know, I hate to part with this car, but I probably should sell it and sell it to somebody that's actually going to drive it. You know, I see a lot of people, you know, they cut a hole in the hood and put a stack on it, and that's just ridiculous. But somebody that would actually, you know, take care of this and actually drive it would be nice. Well, there you go, folks. And this thing has been in that carport, and apparently some varmints are getting in there because I'm getting dirt spots. So I might just go ahead and give it a little cleaning, and I still need to color sand and buff this side, so, or wet sand and get the, you know, get the shine back in there. So and of course it has a vacuum. It still has that vacuum issue, which when it warms up, the brakes and everything work fine, but when it's cold, you know, they're very, very hard to operate. But we'll just go with it right now. I still have the vinyl piece that goes around back there I need to work on. It's still in the house, and more to come. But a beautiful day like this, I've got a lot I can do. In addition to that, I need to work on my camper a little bit more, because being next week's Labor Day weekend, I'm actually going to take the camper out for the first time in 2 years. So my wife and I are actually going to go glamp. Keep on watching. There's more to come. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and be safe out there.